Globe. Choose the correct answer. The shape of the earth is geoid. The North Pole is 90 degree north latitude. The area found between 0 degree and 180 degree east lines of longitude is called Eastern Hemisphere. The 23.5 degree north line of latitude is called Tropic of Cancer. 180 degree line of longitude is International Date Line. The sun is found overhead the Greenwich meridian at 1 p.m. A day has 1440 minutes. Which of the following lines of longitude is considered for the Indian Standard Time? 82.5 degree east. The total number of lines of latitude are 181. The total number of lines of longitude are 360. Fill in the blanks. The line of latitude, which is known as the Great Circle, is equator. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on Earth from the west to east are called latitudes. The 90 degree lines of latitude on the Earth are called poles. The prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian. The world is divided into 24 time zones. Mark the following: 0 degree line of latitude, equator; 0 degree line of longitude, Greenwich; 180 degree line of longitude, International Date Line; 90 degree line of latitude, pole. Circle the odd one. North Pole, South Pole, equator, International Date Line. Answer: International Date Line. Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, equator, prime meridian. Answer: prime meridian. Torrid zone, time zone, temperate zone, freeze zone. Answer: time zone. Royal Astronomical Observatory, prime meridian, Greenwich meridian, International Date Line. Answer: International Date Line. 10 degree north, 20 degree south, 30 degree north, 40 degree west. Answer: 40 degree west. Examine the following statements. Name of the following. The imaginary lines drawn horizontally on Earth latitudes. The imaginary lines drawn vertically on Earth latitudes. Longitudes. The three-dimensional model of the Earth globe. India is located in this hemisphere based on lines of longitude, Eastern Hemisphere. The network of lines of latitude and longitude, Earth grid. Answer in brief. What is a geoid? The Earth, which is spherical, is flat at poles and bulges at the equator. The Earth cannot be compared with any other geometrical shapes as it has a very unique shape. Hence, its shape is called a geoid. What is local time? When the sun is overhead on a particular line of longitude is 12 noon at all the places located on that line of longitude. This is called local time. How many times would the sun pass overhead a line of longitude? The sun is overhead on a line of longitude only once in a day. What are lines of latitude and longitude? The imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on east-west direction on the earth are called lines or parallels of latitudes. The imaginary lines drawn vertically connecting the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines or meridians of longitude. Name the four hemispheres of the earth. Northern Hemisphere, Eastern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. Answer in detail. What are the uses of globe? We see the shape of the earth as a whole and to know its unique features. A three-dimensional model of the earth was created with a specific scale. There are imaginary lines, latitude and longitudes which are drawn on the globe horizontally and vertically to find a location and to calculate distance and time. How are the hemispheres divided on the basis of lines of latitude and longitude? Explained with diagrams. Northern Hemisphere, the area of the earth found between the equator 0 degree And the North Pole 90 degree is called the Northern Hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere. The area of the Earth from the equator 0 degree to South Pole 90 degree is called the Southern Hemisphere. Eastern Hemisphere. The path of the Earth between the 0 degree line of longitude and the 180 degree east line of longitude is known as the Eastern Hemisphere. Western Hemisphere. The path of the Earth from 0 degree line of longitude to 180 degree west line of longitude is called as Western Hemisphere. What are the significant lines of latitude? Explain the zones found between them. Important lines of latitude. North Pole 90 degree. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Equator 0 degree. Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south. Antarctic Circle 66.5 south. South Pole 90 degrees south. Zones of the Earth. Torrid zone. The sun's rays fall vertically over this region and the average temperature is very high. Temperate zone. The sun's rays fall slantingly. Moderate temperature prevails in this region. Freezer zone. The sun's rays fall further inclined throughout the year. The temperature is very low. Explain Indian Standard Time. As many as 29 lines of longitude pass through India. Hence, 82.5 degree east line of longitude is observed as the prime meridian. To calculate the Indian Standard Time (IST), hours based on the latitudinal extent in which hemisphere is India located. Northern Hemisphere.